So guys, another video about how to keep your birds tame. I've already released 2 videos and these birds are getting through a heavy molting stage now, but I'm cleaning twice a day. I try to keep the loft clean. They finished their food and the drinkers have been taken out. Now I'm gonna go to each one and give them some treat. Peanuts again. One button. So we keep them tame. Right. This one here. It's a Dacian bird. See, that's what you want, guys. You don't want your birds to get scared when you get into the loft. And that's the main purpose, to keep them tame, confident and trust in you. Okay? I know he wants as well. Okay, not too much. I just want to like a little treat, you know, before the bedtime. I want them to enjoy that. I've got a couple of birds here who do not respond yet, and that's that chick over there. He doesn't eat from my palm yet. Yesterday I put some peanuts on the resting perch and she ate them all. So you need patience, guys, all the time. Don't make sudden moves or shout inside the loft. Keep your voice calm and down as much as possible. Always talk to them. That's it. That's another bird who is not yet used. As you can see, I think she's gonna be a hen. She sees the other birds eating the peanuts from my palm and she will get confidence as well in me. This bird here I'm feeding now is a Dacian cross with Van Roy. The father of this bird is a son of First National Barcelona bird. It's gonna be an awesome bird. Just be careful for that bird not to get out of the loft. This bird here I'm feeding now is a 100% pure sticklebow. Now she knows she's coming. I bet that's a blue pied. No, she's not a blue pied. There's not a spot there. She overtook. Come on. He's very tame, but come on. He is a very tame boy. He's a very tame boy. All these birds, I don't know if I've said it before, they've been presented peanuts from 3 weeks old, from they were the age of 3 weeks old, and they were eating together with their parents. That's another very tame bird here. I think it's a hen. She's coming on my shoulder or on my hand straight from the top of the house. And I play with her. She enjoys playing with me. Come, boy, come. Pitty, 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 come. Come. Stay. That's it. You be a good boy, yeah? It keeps pinching my ears. And if you have birds like that, just be careful, because they come on your side and may pinch your eyes, and that's a bit painful. What's your spot here? Your spot is somewhere here. Choose your spot. There you go, boy, there you go. Now. That's another Janardine bird. If these birds could talk, we would learn a lot from them. Here's a cheeky boy. He is. I can't wait to send him to race. I'm really curious how he's going to perform. He's a cross again from John Ardeen and Van Roy. I bought a few Van Roy birds from a fancier in UK. So his father is a Van Roy bird, and the mother is a John Ardeen. This blue hen here with a white flight is a mother is a Conipius, John Ardeen Conipius, and the father is a Vandenabili cock. She is absolutely stunning. I'm really anxious to see them on races. He's really impatient now. He wants to eat. These birds, I don't have remote now. 3 things you need to know, guys, about, especially for young birds. 3 things you need to know for your birds to keep them healthy are to clean your loft, especially during the molting season, because there will be a lot of dust and powder from their feathers, and you don't want that, right? So the first thing you need to know is the dust. Their droppings, which contain uric acid, very bad for your birds. And the third one is the humidity. Right? So if you stay away from these three factors, you will have healthy birds in your loft. If you try to keep your young birds free of any disease on their first year of life, that is extremely important again. Okay, you don't want your birds to get sick in their first year of life. You want your birds to stay healthy. And I've posted quite a few videos, guys, about natural remedies for these birds. Not only for young birds, but even for older ones. Dosage, what to give them, how to give them. So yeah, if you keep them healthy, they will. It's cheeky, I told you. on, boy, come. If you keep them healthy, then these birds will develop a very good, strong immunity in their body. Isn't it, boy? This is very, very tame bird. That's it. Be a little patient. Yeah, I need to feed everybody. See, everybody is waiting their share, and I need to give them more. This is how we have our little agreement here. Everybody's waiting for his share. Ah, pity, pity. That's it. Now, come this side. I want to try with this bird here. See, he's a bit wary. But I put a few in there and I'll leave him alone. I don't want to push him. Otherwise, he will lose confidence. And I'll keep doing that 2-3 times, and in the end he will eat from my palm. And that will tell me that he has gained confidence in me. Come boy. Come boy, come, come. Pitu, pitu. YouTuber. That's another pure sticklebout here, young bud. The main color of the sticklebout are dark checkers. I've seen some blue sticklebouts in the France Loft, but most of them, 90%, are dark checkers. Extremely very, very good feathering on these birds, and skeleton is very, very good. Putty, 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 putty. See, I play a little bit with him and I always let him win this little fight. Pity, pity. Good boy, good boy. YouTuber. See? Pity, pity. That's another son of the direct son from First National Barcelona bird, and a one right here. Pity, pity. Pity, pity. I don't want to push him. He's a bit too wary, so I'll leave him alone. All I want from this bird is to gain confidence in me. So if I see the bird is too wary, I'll leave it alone. Pity, pity. He's a bit scary because of the camera. But this one here has absolutely no problem. This bird, this blue with white flights, is the son of a very, very good racer. And from the father's side and the mother's side, the mother of this blue white flights boy has been raised 5 long distances at the age of 1, and she is a cross of Dacian bird with a Matisse Desmet. Pitu, pitu, pitu. You want to touch your birds, guys, and feel their crop, and that's supposed to be strong, not soft and full of water. That's another thing you need to look into your birds, and this will denote health. If the crop is soft and too much water inside, is not a really good sign. Let's try now. See, he started to eat from the palm now. That was the beginning, the hardest bit. I know from now on I'll have no problem feeding him. Okay guys, so again, when you try to tame your birds, don't make sudden moves. Anyway, the birds are a bit wary because of the camera, but you see they're quite confident. Let the bird come to you. Don't push the distance between you two. Just keep your palm in a good distance so he can reach it. It's important, if you want to start taming your birds, to start feeding the birds that have the most confidence in you, and all the others will see what you are doing and they will gain confidence in you as well, because they see the others eating and feel, having no problem. See? Okay guys, that would be it for tonight. I wish you all the best, and keep your birds healthy guys, that's the most important thing, yeah? Keep your birds healthy, whatever you do. Okay guys, cheers, take care.